In this video, we will solve a question. The statement of the question is a stone falls from a height of 60 meter on the ground. The height h after x second is approximately given by h of x is equal to 40 minus 10x square. Part 1 is what is the height of the stone when x is equal to 1 second, x is equal to 1.5 second and x is equal to 1.7 second. And part 2 is when does the stone strike the ground. Now coming towards its solution, we will firstly find the height of the stone when x is equal to 1 second. It is given in the question that h of x is equal to 40 minus 10x square. Let it be named as equation number 1. Now put x is equal to 1 in equation 1. We get h of 1 is equal to 40 minus 10. Replacing x by 1, we get 1 square, which is equal to 40 minus 10. So h of 1 is equal to 30. So height of the stone when x is equal to 1 second is 30 meter. Now we will find the height of the stone when x is equal to 1.5 second. Firstly put x is equal to 1.5 in equation 1. We get h of 1.5 is equal to 40 minus 10 into 1.5 square. We can also write it as h of 1.5 is equal to 40 minus 10 into 1.5 square is equal to 2.25. It can also be written as h of 1.5 is equal to 40 minus 10 times 2.25 is equal to 22.5. So h of 1.5 is equal to 40 minus 22.5 is 17.5. So this is the value of h of 1.5. So the height of stone when x is equal to 1.5 second is 17.5 meter. Now we will find the height of the stone when x is equal to 1.7 second. For this put x is equal to 1.7 in equation 1. We get h of 1.7 equal to 40 minus 10 times 1.7 square, which is equal to h of 1.7 equal to 40 minus 10 times 1.7 square is equal to 2.89. We can also write it as h of 1.7. After calculating these terms, we get 11.1. So h of 1.7 is equal to 11.1. So height of stone when x is equal to 1.7 second is 11.1 meter. Now we will solve the second part, that is when does the stone strike the ground. It is common sense that when stone will strike the ground, its height will be 0. When its height will be 0, then we can write h of x is equal to 0. Since it is given in the question that h of x is equal to 40 minus 10x square, now by replacing h of x by 0, we get 0 is equal to 40 minus 10x square. We can also write it as 10x square is equal to 40. Now by dividing both sides by 10, we get x square is equal to 4. By taking square root on both sides, we get x is equal to plus minus 2. Since we are trying to find time, so we will take just the positive value of x since time is always positive. So the stone strike the ground after 2 seconds.